Hi students, in this video we are going to learn a simple problem in probability. The question is, if A and B are two events such that P of A equal to 1 by 3 and P of B equal to 3 by 4 and P of A union B equal to 11 by 12, find P of A given B and P of B given A. So in this problem given the value of P of A, P of B and P of A union B. And we have to find two parts. One is find the value of P of A given B and second part is find the value of P of B given A. By conditional probability, we know that P of A given B value equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So to find the value of P of A given B, we need the value of P of A intersection B. But this value is not given in the question. So here given only three values, P of A, P of B, P of A union B. So using these three values, first we have to find the value of P of A intersection B. And finally substitute this value here, we get the answer. So let us assume this is equation number 1. Now again using one theorem, we know that P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Here substitute the value of P of A union B, P of A and P of B value, we get P of A intersection B value. So from this equation, we can write P of A intersection B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. These three values are given in the question. Substitute here, we get P of A intersection B value. P of A value 1 by 3, P of B value 3 by 4 and P of A union B is 11 by 12. Now add these three terms. Here the LCM value is 12. So just write 12 in the denominator. Now see the first term, here the denominator is 3 but the LCM is 12. So to make it as 12, we have to multiply this 3 into 4. So multiply that same number 4 by this numerator also. So 1 into 4 is 4. So the first term numerator is 4. Then here plus symbol, so plus. And see the second term denominator is 4 but LCM is 12. We know that 4 into 3 is 12. So multiply this numerator into 3. That is 3 into 3, 9. Then next term minus. Third term denominator is 12. LCM is also 12. So write the third term numerator as it is. So 11. Now just add the numerator. Here 4 plus 9 minus 11. That is 2 divided by 12. Now simplifying this term. Here 1 into 2 is 2. Here 6 into 2 is 12. So this is the value of P of A intersection B. Now substitute this value P of A intersection B value in equation number 1. By 1 we know that P of A given B equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. And P of A intersection B value is 1 by 6 and P of B value which is given in the question, P of B value is 3 by 4. Substitute these two values in the right hand side of 1, we get P of A given B value. Therefore equation number 1 becomes P of A given B equal to P of A intersection B. So it is 1 by 6 divided by P of B value. Here P of B value is given 3 by 4. This 6 goes to the denominator and in the denominator this 4 goes to the numerator. So 4 divided by 6 into this 3 and these two numbers cancel. 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 3 is 6. So the answer is numerator is 2 divided by denominator is 3 into 3, 9. So first part answer is 2 by 9. Now move on to the second part. Here the second part is find the value of P of B given A. So we know by conditional probability P of B given A value equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. And P of A value is given in the question and P of A intersection B value, this is 1 by 6. So substitute P of A intersection B value 1 by 6 and substitute the value of P of A which is given in the question. P of A value is 1 by 3. So denominator is 1 by 3. Now simplify this value and in the numerator this 6 goes to the denominator and this 3 goes to the numerator. So 3 by 6. Now which is equal to 1 by 2. So the second part answer is 1 by 2. Thank you.